Hey guys, how to revert back to iOS 18.1 if 18.1.1 causes issues. Reverting to your iOS version to previous one or downgrading depends on whether Apple is still signing the older version of iOS. Apple typically stops signing older firmware versions a short time after a new update is released. Here's how you can check and proceed if possible. So visit a website called ipsw.me. Again, ipsw.me, right, in order to check. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna scroll a little bit down and just choose your device. In my case, I'm using iPhone, right? So I'm gonna choose the model now, right? I'm gonna scroll a little bit down. In my iPhone is iPhone XR, so I'm gonna just choose iPhone XR from here, right? And as you can see right here, I can basically sign in. I can downgrade to iOS 18.1, right? And then basically what I'm gonna do, the firmware is signed. This means that you can restore it to iTunes. Now what you're gonna do, you gotta just start using it or start downloading it, and basically, I can now download it to my device and follow along the prompts to basically hit download right here and start download, and make sure that you back up your device before proceeding with that step. Make sure that you go back to your screen and go ahead to your settings, click your name, right, and make sure that you go to the iCloud and make sure that you allow the storage of your iPhone, okay, and make sure that you saved all of your photos, important information to iCloud, right? And basically now you're currently downloading the firmware or the downgrade, and basically after that you're gonna put your device in recovery mode, and press and release volume up or down after you downloaded basically the downgrade, or you could just swipe down to your control center, hit the shutdown icon at the top right, and reopen it again, and basically you're gonna be able to restore back to iOS 18.1, right? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.